It is Saturday night in Chongqing, and we are waiting by the river for the city's famous weekly drone show. It's scheduled for 8:30 p.m. sharp, but there is a problem. It just started to drizzle. But then, at exactly 8:30 p.m., the city came alive. First, the buildings along the riverbank lit up in a massive coordinated light show. It was like a signal that the show must go on. Drone shows are notoriously fragile. Usually, even with a little bit of rain or wind, leads to an instant cancellation. We were standing there holding our breath, pretty sure we came all this way for nothing. And shortly after, we saw them. At first, they looked just like fireflies rising from the ground, but as they got higher, they formed a massive growing fleet. I have tuned out the original audio here just to avoid any copyright issues. But imagine this entire display moving in perfect sync with music blasting across the river. It was absolutely mesmerizing. The precision is insane. Hundreds of drones moving as one single organism. This was actually my first time seeing a live drone show in action, and honestly, it was magical. I am so glad the rain held off just enough for this to happen. If you are in Chongqing on a Saturday night, definitely make your way to the Riverside. It's worth the wait. Thanks for watching this short glimpse of the future. See you in the next video.